Android 14 Beta 1 is now available, featuring several new features. We will also compare it to the stable build of Android 13 to highlight the differences. Please note that this beta version may contain bugs, and we will provide bug alerts whenever possible in this video. First, we have a new back gesture icon that features an arrow inside a filled circle. This icon supports your wallpaper theme. Additionally, when using the back gesture, you can now preview the landing screen. This was not possible in Android 13. Next, in Media Tile, a new animation is displayed when clicking any button on the screen. There is also an animation in the background. Another change is visible when increasing or decreasing the volume, as it displays the volume percentage. This was not the case in Android 13. Next, enhanced app permissions now provide better privacy control. Instead of giving permission for all photos and videos on your phone, you can now choose specific ones. Simply select the photos and videos you want to share from your photos and albums, and the app will only have access to those selected. There are new settings in developer options for a transparent navigation bar. You can now make the navigation bar's background color transparent by default. While using your apps, you may notice the difference. However, the feature seems not yet enabled or fully functional. Maybe we can see it working in future beta builds. Next, we have flash notifications. This is one of my favorite features in Android 14 Beta 1. When enabled, your screen will flash in the selected color whenever you receive a notification. You can choose any color you want, and whenever you receive a call or message notification, your screen will flash. This is useful because if your phone is on silent, the flashing screen will grab your attention. There have been some changes to the display settings. The navigation mode setting has been added within the display settings, so you no longer have to go to the system settings for it. Additionally, a new option in the lock screen settings is Show Weather. It is not yet functional, so it's unclear what it does. Next, the password and account settings now include a new option called Google Password Manager. This feature allows Google to manage all your passwords, passkeys, and data services for accounts, apps, and websites. Next, the security and privacy screen has been completely revamped. Some categories have been renamed, and if you navigate inside each option, you will find a new screen with colorful thumbnails. You can easily see the difference when compared to Android 13. The next change we have in battery settings. Now, the screen on time is visible upfront on the battery usage screen, which is an improvement as previously we had to navigate to battery usage details to see it. There are also some changes in the battery saver settings, but unfortunately I won't be able to show them to you due to an annoying bug. Every time I click on it, the screen crashes. Next, in the system settings, the navigation mode is now visible upfront. Previously, we had to navigate to gestures to find this setting. In the language settings, a new option called Regional Preferences has been added. With this feature, you can let apps know about your regional preferences and personalize your experience accordingly. Additionally, there have been some changes to Reset option. The Reset Mobile Network Settings option is now available as a separate option, whereas previously it was clubbed with Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Next and last, flash notifications have been added to the accessibility settings. Here I am signing off. My name is Sushant. Keep watching and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.